हम आ गए। So welcome back। हम बात कर रहे हैं अब्बास हसन से। इतनी सारी बातें करी है पर इतनी सारी बातें करने बाकी है क्योंकि बातें खत्म ही नहीं हो रही। We have so much to ask him। Of course उनका मतलब सफर ही इतना illustrious रहा है, इतना कलरफुल सी जर्नी रही है।
अगर आप ये बातें एंजॉय कर रहे हैं तो आप हमें ईमेल कर सकते हैं at info@tv1canada.com। आप हमें फोन भी कर सकते हैं।
हमारा फोन नंबर है 416-703-2182।
वेबसाइट हमारी है www.tv1canada.com।
और हमारा फेसबुक पेज है facebook.com/must1show।
Let's talk about contact information. If someone wants to contact you, how can they do so?
The best way is you can find me on Facebook. I have a new Facebook page, brand new, just started this last couple of weeks. So check it out on facebook.com/AbbasHassanWorld, or you can go on Twitter, which is Twitter @AbbasHassanMusic, 1S in Hassan.
अब्बास, बात करते हैं फैमिली के बारे में। फैमिली सपोर्टिव थी या नहीं?
Definitely, 100%. And I think इससे बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है। I think अगर आपको पता होता है कि आपके माँ बाप आपको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, तो you feel a lot more, ready to do what you're doing, and you just feel more confident, I think. और लेकिन ये कि obviously जो आपकी when you're doing better, तो I think ज़्यादा एतबार भी आता है आपकी फैमिली को। तो शुरू में obviously हर फैमिली को मेरे ख्याल परेशानी होती है, लेकिन I'm lucky.
बात करें फैमिली की, so I want to ask you, what I really like about you is that you've got the package, the pop star package, but then you start talking, you've got the stuff, this like pure Urdu hai aapki mashallah se, and then you say words like mashallah and stuff, and I'm like, this is really amazing for me. How close are you in real life to the culture and the religion specifically?
Yeah, very close. I mean, I think having grown up in lots of different countries, I think आपको अपनी एक identity का sense होता है, I think it's really important to know where you're from and be proud of it. And like मेरे माँ बाप ने बचपन से हमें बहुत pride instill की है अपने culture के बारे में और अपनी पहचान के बारे में। So I think this is something that I kind of want to promote through my music. कि चाहे आप ये ज़बान बोलें या वो ज़बान बोलें, I think we're all people and we should be proud of who we are.
Definitely.
Just to add to that, I definitely agree with you. I think that growing up in the West, you're sort of more conscious about your ethnicity. So you're sort of even more careful about preserving it. So I totally agree with that.
We've actually had this entire discussion. I feel like every episode we come back to the same discussion.
All about ethnicity here at Must One.
No, but definitely what you said is definitely true.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to talk about the sense of style. I mean, I know this. I'm really liking the jacket, and Alina said this earlier as well.
It looks almost like a UK. Is that?
Yeah, I mean, this is something that my stylist picked out, and kudos to her. I think she's gonna be really happy that you guys like it. But I think,
was this detail part of it originally, or was it something that she added on?
I think this is some extra effort. So
that she's actually put into it.
And haathon pe, I see that there's something going on there.
She works hard.
Yeah, wow. She does work hard. But I think I always have a bunch of different things, and actually I'm very lucky because a lot of times like fans have actually bought me wristbands and stuff because they know I wear wristbands.
And you wear them.
And I wear them. So I just want to say a special shout out to all the people that have given me wristbands. I think it's very sweet. So.
That is amazing. Actually, does the stylist come as part of the package of being one of Rishi Rich's products?
No, I think it came part of the package with me just because of the people I knew and the situation I was in. But it always helps because then when you wake up, you don't have to try and find what you're wearing.
No, I could use
we
it.
have, we feel
no,
that.
तुम तो कुछ भी चल जाती हो.
I would love it if I had a stylist, in the morning I was like, here you go, there you go, an extra detail.
And I would love it if actually the clothes were something like this,
and I don't think we'd ever look as great in that either.
I think you guys look pretty sharp.
11वां नंबर है इसलिए 11वें खिलाड़ी हम लोग क्या करेंगे. So but तो बात करते हैं आपके एल्बम के बारे में. 2 tracks already out, Sona, Habibi. And one of the things you said earlier in the show, and I don't know if you were supposed to reveal that, was that you said that you were trying to give a journey around the world through the different tracks in the album.
Yeah.
So can we expect other flavors from different countries in the upcoming tracks?
I mean, I think that was a slight exaggeration. I think it's definitely a pop record. And it brings in my different influences. So you'll definitely hear Pakistani and Indian kind of sounds in the music. You'll also
and
hear...
एक तो Bhangra track होना मतलब लाज़मी है.
Bhangra ka maybe, I don't know.
That'd be interesting,
It's a bit of a secret. We'll see. There might be some collaborations.